Good morning, class. Today we are continuing our chapter Force and Pressure. In the last class, we learned about the effects of force, and we also learned about contact and non contact force, and also about pressure. In this class, we will go into detail about contact and non contact forces. So, contact force. In the last class, we read about this, but we are going into deep into it, some more elaborative form. Now, muscular force, the force that comes into play due to action of muscles. The force applied by our muscles is called muscular force. Like when we walk, then our legs apply force on the ground, so it is a muscular force. Similarly, when we play tug of war, then we both the teams apply force by their hands, and that is also a muscular force. Similarly, the food we eat goes into the alimentary canal, and there is peristaltic movement, and that is also due to the muscles. That is also a muscular force. Similarly, uh, we breathe in air, breathe out, our muscles contract and relax. So muscles of our lungs contract and relax, so that is also a muscular force. Similarly, these are some of the examples into our body and outside our body. Now let us see frictional force. मस्कुलर फोर्स में आपको समझाया, समझ में आया, जैसे कि हम खाना खाते हैं तो अंदर पेरिस्टाल्टिक मूवमेंट होता है एलिमेंट्री कैनाल में, और खाने को पुश करती है एलिमेंट्री कैनाल टू गो डाउन. सिमिलरली, जब हम ब्रीथ करते हैं या ब्रीद इन करते हैं, ब्रीद आउट करते हैं, तो हमारी लंग्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं और रिलैक्स होते हैं. ये कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन जो होता है मसल्स का, लंग्स का, ये हमारी मसल्स करती हैं और मसल्स फोर्स लगाती हैं, इस वजह से कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन होता है. नाउ सेकेंड टाइप इज़ फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स तब होता है व्हेन टू surfaces come in contact with each other. Due to their interlocking, the force between the two surfaces is called frictional force. जब दो सरफेस आपस में कांटेक्ट में आती हैं और एक दूसरे को स्लाइड करती हैं, तो उनके बीच में जो इंटरलॉकिंग होती है उसकी वजह से जो फोर्स लगता है उसको हम बोलते हैं फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स हमेशा मोशन के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लगता है. हियर यू सी, this is the motion of the box and the frictional force is applied in this direction. This is the friction. So a frictional force always acts on the opposite direction. It leads to generation of heat also. Like when we apply friction on hands, when we rub our hands, then we feel some heat, warmth, that is due to friction. And friction has some ill effects also. We see the slippers or the shoes we wear, they wear out after some time. That is because of friction. फ्रिक्शन की वजह से उनकी जो सरफेस होती है वो रब होती है और वेयर आउट हो जाती है. सिमिलरली, जो टायर्स होते हैं उनके फीचर्स के ऊपर जो शेप्स बनी होती हैं, जब नए टायर होते हैं गाड़ियों में, तो देयर इज़ सम शेप ओवर देम, बट आफ्टर दैट टाइम दैट tires become shapeless. That shape goes away because friction, due to friction between the surface, वो wear out हो जाते हैं. So these are frictional force. Now let us see non-contact force. As the name suggests, non-contact force means these are the forces which will be exerted on objects when they are not in contact with each other. It is opposite to the contact force. In the contact force, there was requirement that the force applied force should be in contact. But here, the force applied on the things which are not in contact with each other. The example is magnetic force. It is applied to the magnetic objects by magnet and also on the magnet itself. So if we bring the opposite poles of magnet near each other, they will attract each other. हमें पता है अगर हम नॉर्थ पोल को साउथ पोल के पास लेके आएंगे मैग्नेट के, then they will attract, and when we will bring south pole near south pole or north pole near north pole, then they will repel each other. So they are not in contact with each other, but it is applying force, so it is a non-contact force. Another example is electrostatic force. It is exerted by charges. When similar charges come near each other, like charges like positive positive, if we will bring positive charge near positive charge, then they will repel each other, वो दूर जाएंगे. And if we will bring positive charge near negative charge, then they will attract each other. So electrostatic force, since it is also not in contact with each other, it is because of charges, it is also a non-contact force. Here it is depicted very well. No, it should not be repulsion. Yeah, it is repulsion. So positive positive repulsion, negative negative repulsion, neutral no effect, it will not produce any effect, and opposite positive negative attraction. Now third is gravitational force. Gravitational force is applied on, means earth applies force of gravity on all the objects. Like when you throw a ball, it comes down because the earth is applying force on it. And it is not only the property of earth, anything which has mass applies force of gravity. Means we are also applying force on the earth because we are having mass, but since earth is very large enough, so it applies more force on us than our force applied on it. तो जिस भी ऑब्जेक्ट की मास होता है वो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स अप्लाई करती है. हम भी अर्थ पे ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, बट हमारा फोर्स इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है बिकॉज अर्थ इज़ वेरी लार्ज. तो सिमिलरली जो सोलर सिस्टम में प्लैनेट्स हैं, सन, मून, दे आर ऑल अप्लाइंग फोर्स ऑन ईच अदर. दैट्स वाई दे आर रोटेटिंग इन अ planar, they are rotating in their particular orbits. So all the celestial objects are applying force on each other, and it is called gravitational force. Now here I have given some questions, children. Yeah, here it is depicted gravitational force. This child is pulling this, dropping out this ball, and it is going down, not up. Why it is going down? Because earth is applying gravity. Earth is applying gravity over it. Similarly, this leaf is also falling down. So here is some questions. These you have to do in your homework. ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, 4 क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपको जो दिए हैं, इनमें कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट आपका प्रेशर का भी लगेगा जो मैं आपको लास्ट क्लास में पढ़ा चुकी हूँ, तो वो भी है. और कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट, कुछ क्वेश्चन इस टॉपिक से हैं और 2 क्वेश्चन आपके पहले जो मैं पढ़ा चुकी हूँ वो कॉन्सेप्ट आपको लगाना है. तो यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस इन योर होमवर्क, एंड यू हैव टू राइट द की पॉइंट्स इन योर क्लास वर्क. नाउ 2 टायर्स ऑफ ट्रैक्टर आर वाइड. वाई? You have seen tractors. Why the 2 tires are wide compared to the other ones? Think and write. Why camel walk in desert easily but not man? So pressure, how pressure is affecting the movement of camel. So you have to relate the pressure is force upon area. You have to relate it in these 2 questions. Question number 3 is the gravity a property of earth only? I discussed it a while before. What is electrostatic force and why it is called a non-contact force? So hope you will do all these questions, and I hope that I will get your copies done on time, and after doing this I wish that you send me the answers on my on the group. Okay, thank you.